in the sorting hall, robotic arms meticulously separate.
Check the schematics for the titanium parts. We have an anomaly on the east side sorter.
Already on it, adjusting the parameters now.
All shipments accounted for. The microchips arrived on schedule. Good.
Begin intake protocol Sigma 9.
The compression metrics on Unit 7 are stabilizing. Noted.
We are approaching the threshold on the right femur. The stress fractures on Unit 7 are increasing exponentially.
Noted. Rerouting pressure to the secondary actuators.
Check the alignment on sector gamma 12.
Looks stable. Proceeding with the stabilization sequence.
The projected schematics confirm alignment.
Yes, the stabilizers are within tolerance. We can proceed to the next phase.
Thermal shielding on the conduits looks stable at 98%.
Reroute auxiliary power to the lower spine assembly.
Thoracic cavity secured. Power conduit engaged. Vitals stable.
The alignment metrics on the femur joint are fluctuating.
It stabilizes after the weld. Monitor the heat signature.
The gradient on the malar region is slightly off.
Adjusting the flow rate now.
Check the seam alignment on Unit 7.
Looks good from here. The calibration is holding steady.
Consistency is at 98% for the eyebrow raise.
Excellent. The adjustment cycle is working.
Phase synchronization holding steady.
Good, the calibration is complete. All green.
Torque measurements on Unit 7 are fluctuating.
Rerunning the calibration sequence now.
Analyzing vocal sequence. Pitch modulation successful.
Reroute auxiliary channel 7 for calibration.
The lateral stabilization is showing a 5% deviation at this speed.
Check the servo response on the left ankle joint.
Stride length variance is stabilizing at 99.8%.
Reaction precision is still showing minor fluctuations on Unit 7. Stress levels on Module 4 are peaking. We're showing red line on the auxiliary servos.
Acknowledged. Increasing pressure by 5%. Let's see if it holds.
We have stabilization across the board. The module lift is successful.
Noted. The subject performed above projected thresholds.
Sealant integrity is at 98%.
UV cycle complete. Moving to final rinse.
Vibration levels are stable at 90% capacity.
Acknowledged. The dust ingress seems minimal so far. Let's increase the wind speed.
Our unit diagnostics are showing green across the board.
Confirming system integrity at 99.8%.
Core diagnostics are showing green across the board.
Finalizing memory integration sequence.
The robot adapted faster than expected to the spatial anomaly.
Look at the neural latency spike at T4.
We need to adjust the variables in sector gamma.
The pathfinding algorithm is showing too much aggression.
Emergency protocol active. Failsafe triggered on all units. Status, dormant.
The Helios project requires absolute precision. Every joint, every surface must pass the 4K scan before activation.
Unit 7 activation successful. Confirmed. Updating database now.
Ensure the polymer seal is secured on Unit 7.
Confirmed. Alignment is optimal.
We have a priority crate coming through on the express lane.
Acknowledged. Tracking confirmed.
The throughput on Platform 4 is exceeding projections.
Yes, the new routing algorithm is highly efficient.
Clear to move the next pallet. Copy that. Advancing Delta 7.
Transport 7 designation is confirmed. Route optimization complete. Clear for immediate departure.
I'm seeing a minor deviation on the Gamma route. Analyze immediately.
Acknowledged. Asserting.
Synchronization sequence complete on all units.
Flawless. They are ready for deployment.
The synchronization is complete. All systems are operating within optimal parameters.